In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use cell linking in Smartsheet. Cell linking is a powerful way to pull information from one sheet into another, so you always have the most up-to-date data in one place. Instead of copying and pasting values over and over, you can link a cell to a source sheet, and Smartsheet will automatically update it for you whenever the source changes. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open the Smartsheet where you want the linked information to appear. This will be your destination sheet. Take a moment to locate the exact cell where you want the data to show up. It could be part of a summary, a dashboard type sheet, or just a roll-up of project details. Click once on that cell to select it. You should see the blue outline around it, confirming that this is the active cell. Next, right-click on the selected cell. This will open a context menu with several options specific to that cell. If you're on a Mac and using a trackpad, you can usually perform a two-finger click or hold Control while clicking to get the same menu. Make sure you right-click directly on the cell you want to link, not just anywhere on the sheet, so the link will be created in the correct place. From the menu that appears, look for the option that says Link from Cell in Other Sheet and click it. This tells Smartsheet that the value in this cell will come from a different sheet, not from something you type manually. When you click this option, a window will pop up to guide you through choosing the source. Now, follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked to choose which sheet you want to pull data from. Select the appropriate sheet, then navigate to the row and column that contain the cell you want to link. Click on that source cell so it's highlighted. Take a moment to double check you're picking the correct one, especially if your sheet has many similar rows or columns, because the destination cell will always mirror this choice. Once you've confirmed the correct source cell, look for the button labeled Create Link and click it. Smartsheet will then establish the connection between your destination cell and the source cell in the other sheet. You should now see the value from the source sheet appear in your destination sheet, often with a small indicator showing that it's a linked cell. Anytime the original cell is updated, your linked cell will update automatically, keeping your information consistent and saving you manual work.